today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 side hustles that you can do as a student. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I'm talking making about up to $100,000 per annum, yes, on this side gigs. So don't sleep on it. If this is something you're interested in, don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So whether you're a student or you are not a student, hey, and you want to make easy money, you want to make quick money from the comfort of your home, you know, these are legit ways to actually make money from your home. So go ahead, so if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big thank you so much for your incredible love and support. I see every single one of you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you amazing ways to make money as a student, ways that you're not even thinking of before now. And you might have been thinking of this, you might have heard about them, but you probably didn't know that it pays as much as what I'm going to be exposing you guys to in today's video. So if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself. While you guys introduce yourself, make sure that you leave your trademark in the comments. I want to know you guys. I want to know where you're watching from. I'm building a community here. I want to know you guys. What is your name? What country are you watching from? And what do you do for a living? So let me go ahead and introduce myself while you guys do the same thing. My name is Mariam. I'm based here in California. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and I drop multiple videos on this channel every week. Make it a date to join your girl every week right here on this channel. And also do well to share these videos. If you have found value in any of my videos, please do well to share them with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing juicy opportunities, and share with your village members as well. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So come with me, guys, let's go. So guys, do you know that you can make good money? You can make up to $100,000 in a year as a photographer and videographer. Yes, so and you can choose either of the two. Guess what? Starting a photography and videography business is another one of the enjoyable side jobs for college students that you can do to bring in extra income. The startup costs, yes, I understand it can be costly, but you can start with your phone. Yes, I understand that camera equipment is expensive, and but you know this profession is in high demand, and it can be turned into a full-time profession. So you may need to, you may need to get some training, editing. It may require you to have some editing skills, so you may need to upskill your talent, editing and videography, but practicing is the best way to learn. The more you do it, the more you learn, and you can earn up to $103,000 US. And here is how to start. To get started, get the basic equipment, start practicing, create a portfolio, and start marketing to your friends and family. You can also set up a social media account and start to offer your services to everyone on the social media space. Another way to actually make money from the comfort of your home as a student is to start a side hustle known as logo design. Yes, so hey, it is super easy to get work as a freelancer, as a logo designer. I'm telling you, I paid someone to design my business logo for me. Yes, so people would hire you from anywhere. You can work from anywhere as a logo designer. Don't even sleep on it. So guys, sites like Upwork and Freelancer offer lists of jobs for people to design logos for different businesses, and this type of side hustle can be done part-time, remotely, and it has flexible hours. Please ignore the noise in the background. I'm sorry, I'm at the poolside, so I can't stop the kids from screaming, so please bear with me today. Thank you. So if you have good design skills and you have access to platforms that can create designs, you can actually sell your designs or get jobs designing. This is actually a very competitive side job, but mastering your designs and creating your signature style can, with that you can earn good money, and this side job is easy to expand as well, through upskilling, and you can offer more design services to businesses. Guess what? You can earn up to $104,000 US in a year. Yes, so designing logo for businesses. And here is how to start. So the best way to get started is to build a portfolio to advertise your skills, and then apply for jobs using this. And you may need to also purchase applications for designing like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Sketch, or Corel Draw. You can also use TaskRabbit, because TaskRabbit can help you earn money and has become very popular over the years. On this TaskRabbit app, you can make money by completing everyday errands and tasks for people in your community. So sign up on the TaskRabbit.com and select the tasks that you're willing to do, and then get matched with people that are requesting that service, and then get paid after doing the job. You get to also set your own hourly rate. Yes, you also get to set your own hourly rate, but you are given the minimum hourly rates that you can charge per task. You know, this is a flexible opportunity that you can take advantage of. You can make up to $100,000 in a year. Yes, so here is how to start. All you need to do is just sign up on TaskRabbit.com and decide on the services that you're interested in and start working. Another way to actually make good money as a student, you know, or even if you're not a student, is as a freelance article writer. Yes, so freelance article writer or content article writing is an excellent side jobs for good writers. And like most freelance opportunities, you can apply to different job advertisements, seeking a freelancer, or start a business and advertise your skills to various businesses and organizations. Now, the hours with this work are flexible, and you can take on jobs based on your availability. This side job would only require some resources that you probably already have, like a laptop and internet access, and you have a minimum, you know, you can make up to $269,000. Hey, as a freelancer, I'm telling you. So here is how to start. If you have the skills and experience, just start applying for part-time jobs and build a good rapport with the companies that you work with. Then use this experience as a selling point for your next client, and jobs to apply for. Guess what you can do? Hey, another side hustle that you can do and make crazy money, hey, is become a video and photo editor. I'm telling you, video and photo editing is an excellent side gig for any person with the equipment and software, because learning how to edit videos and photos can be very difficult, but it requires technical skills and artistic skills. But more and more people actually want videos for their special occasions, trips, their social media and business promotions, and they also want their photos edited, but they're not prepared to pay those thousands, to pay in thousands. So your video editing business can be geared towards people like this. Yes, they are ready to pay thousands, you know, and you can make up to $133,000 per annum. I'm telling you, editing videos and photos. This is how to start. So to start off, you will require a camera equipment, a computer, some software skills, and of course, you can learn one style of editing at a time. And over time, your business will grow and provide more services. But you can also market your business to photographers and videographers who may not have editing skills. You know, so e-learning, yes, is another way to make money. E-learning courses, you can provide e-learning courses. So if you have a cool skill or knowledge in a topic that you'd like to teach other people, try creating an e-learning course to help you earn an extra income. So to start, you can build a course to help someone gain skills that you have, like a course in music, a course in photography, a course in cooking, writing, marketing, or researching, among others. However, keep in mind that this is one of the side jobs for college students that doesn't ensure, and that doesn't stress you as much. And in some cases, you might not be okay, so you can make up to $124,000 per annum, yes, on this side gig. I'm telling you. And this is how to start. Assuming that you have a skill that you would like to instruct other people in, you can begin by signing up as an instructor on an app like Skillshare or Udemy. These apps also help you build your e-learning course for free. So if you would like to work more independently, email marketing is your best option. You can start by marketing your business over social media, over YouTube and LinkedIn. Then prompt people to sign up with their email on your website for a free online course, which is a shortened version of your e-learning course. Then encourage them to purchase your e-learning course to learn more. Guys, what can be better than that? These are side hustles that pay you up to $100,000 in a year or even more. Yes. So guys, you know on this channel I've always got you guys covered. If this video has blessed you, know how we do it, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities that I have for you guys right here on this channel. And if this video has blessed you, you know what to do. Like this video, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and of course I'll see you in my next video. All right guys, take care of yourselves and bye for now. I love you. Mwah.